Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Polkawallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your Polkawallet's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Polkawallet application. The home page of Polkawallet application will appear on the screen. From the home page, tap on Settings option at the bottom of the page. You will end up on the settings page of Polkawallet's account. Click on your profile name. Now to delete your account on Polkawallet, click on Delete Account option. Enter your password and from the pop-up tap on OK to unlock your account with password. This is how you can delete account on Polkawallet quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.